Alright, settle down, please. Good morning, students. Good morning, class. It's good to be here again. Alright. We are going to be very fast because we are running out of time. So this class will last for less than 1 hour. Have I wished you happy new month? Alright, happy new month and Merry Christmas in advance. I hope you know that. I hope you know that students in College of Medicine don't go for Christmas break. You don't know? Okay, you don't know? Okay. I'm bringing it to your notice so that you don't begin to think of traveling home for Christmas. We are all going to do our Christmas here. In fact, there will be a lecture 25th of December. I'll be here. I'll be here to teach you. So, try to make yourself available for that class. Alright? Okay, the course is body fluid physiology. Last time when I was here, we introduced physiology by way of defining what physiology is and all of the aspects of physiology. Today, we'll look at body fluids physiology. Alright? So very quickly, we want to let's look at the meaning of body fluids and then some examples of body fluid. Please, as I teach, make sure you jot down something. So the big question will be, what is body fluid? What is body fluid? And anyone make an attempt? Body fluid. Body fluid. Okay. Body fluid refers to the fluid or water its right. Body fluid refers to the fluid or water that are produced and secreted by a human body. Body fluid refers to the fluid or water produced and secreted by the human body. Some examples of body fluid will include 1. Plasma. What is plasma? A liquid component of blood. It constitutes a major part of body fluid. Number B, urine. Number C, GIT secretions. Right? I said one, plasma, two, urine, three, GIT secretions. These are the three main types of body fluids. And then we have others. Others which may include the aqueous and vitreous humor of the eye. Or you can call that tears. Alright? You shed tears. When you start crying, water starts coming out from your eye. So it's part of body fluid. Breast milk. Is it not a fluid? Breast milk. Breast milk is also produced and secreted in female body. And then we have male and female ejaculates. Okay? Male and female ejaculates. Male, do you ejaculate? Okay. Female, do you? Else, do you ejaculate? They are not answered. Okay, females don't ejaculate. But I know there's something called vaginal secretions. So they form part of fluid produced and secreted by human beings. Going forward. The human body is made up majorly of water. The human body is made up majorly of water. But in the human body, there's about 60% of water. Okay? In a healthy human, there is about 60% of water. But that is in males. In females, the percentage of water is about 40 to 50%. So in the human body, there are more water. So it's made up majorly of water and minorly of solids. Okay? And these solids are actually divided into two components. You have nutrients or end products of nutrient metabolism and electrolytes. We shall come to that. Okay. Subheading body fluid compartments. Body fluid compartments. There are three major types of body fluid compartment. The first one is the total body water. Total body water. It's on the slide. I hope the slide is clear. Partially clear. Okay. Total body water is one of the fluid compartment, and then you have the intracellular fluid compartment, in parentheses, ICF, intracellular fluid compartment. And then number C is the extracellular fluid compartment. Okay? These are the three major kinds of fluid compartments in every human being. The extracellular fluid compartment is subdivided into two types, but we shall get there. Let's look at these fluid compartments in detail. Okay? Now the distribution of total body water or the fluid compartment. The slide shows you a very clear table of fluid compartments and their volume. Okay? The fluid compartments and their volumes. Other things you can find in the slide are the body weight, body water, and there's something missing. Okay? And that will be the biomarkers that are used to measure fluid compartments. But we shall get there in this class. So total body water constitutes 42 liters. Total body water, or the volume of total body water in a healthy or normal human being, is 42 liters. But this volume can increase or decrease due to some physiological or pathological variations. Okay? We are going to look at those conditions that can reduce the volume of total body water and or decrease the volume of total body water. But in a healthy adult, volume of total body water is 42 liters. Okay? The ICF, that is intracellular fluid, refers to the fluid found inside the cell. ICF is defined as the fluid found inside the cell. It is made up of two-thirds of the total body water. Alright? So it is 2 over 3. Two-thirds of total body water. And if you look at that, the volume of the ICF is 28 liters. Okay? I repeat. Intracellular fluid is the fluid found inside the cell. It is made up of two-thirds of the total body water. In parentheses, you can just add 28 liters. Okay? ICF is the fluid inside the cell. It's made up of 2/3 of the total body water. In parentheses, that is in brackets. You just add 28 liters. Is that clear? Good. Going forward, the ECF is writing food, extracellular fluid. The ECF, that is the extracellular fluid, is the fluid outside the cell. Extracellular fluid is the fluid outside the cell. It is made up of 1/3 of the total body water. So it is 1/3. Okay? So in brackets, the volume of the ECF is 14 liters. So what nonsense am I talking about? What nonsense am I talking about? First, you have the cell. Maybe we should just make a sketch of the cell. Alright? And inside the cell, there is water. Okay? And that water that is found inside the cell is known as what? Intracellular fluid. Again, outside the cell, we also have water surrounding the cell, orbiting the cell. Alright? Now, the water found outside the cell is known as what? Extracellular fluid. Good. Not only the cell has water inside of it and outside of it, also the blood vessels. Right? The blood vessels are surrounded by water, and inside the blood vessels there is also water. Okay, but that brings us to the next compartment. The extracellular fluid is subdivided into two major parts. The extracellular fluid is subdivided into two major parts. And the first one is known as the intravascular fluid. Let me just write it as IVF. Intravascular fluid. I said ECF is divided into two major parts. Number A is intravascular fluid. The intravascular fluid is the fluid found inside the blood vessels. Intravascular fluid is the fluid found inside the blood vessels. It constitutes 3.5 liters of extracellular fluid. Okay? Is it the IVF is the fluid found inside the blood vessel, and it constitutes 3.5 liter of the extracellular fluid. Okay, this fluid found inside the blood vessel is known as what? Plasma. It's known as what? Intravascular fluid. The fluid itself found inside the vessel. Fluid found in the blood is called what? Plasma. So invariably, the intravascular fluid is known as plasma. Okay? Alright. The other part or division of the extracellular fluid is the EDF. And that is known as the extravascular fluid. The extravascular fluid is the fluid surrounding the blood vessels. The extravascular fluid is the fluid surrounding the blood vessels. It is made up of 10.5 liters of the extracellular fluid. Extravascular fluid is the fluid outside the blood vessels, made up of 10.5 liters of the extracellular fluid. So if you sum 3.5 and 10.5, what would it give you? What would it give you? 14. Okay. So all of the transcellular fluid and the mesenchymal fluid are all classified under extravascular fluid. Going forward, okay, I have said that the human body is made up majorly of water and minorly of solids, right? So in the fetus, what's the fetus? Doctors, what is fetus? An umbilical cord. What is the fetus? What's an embryo? What's the zygote? Yes? Yeah. I can't hear you. Where is the second mic? Zygote is what? Product of fusion of sperm and egg. Okay. Embryo is what? Formation of the zygotes. Formation of the zygotes. Fetus is doctors. Okay. Sit down. I'm not teaching you embryology, but you need to go and note the difference. Okay? So what if you go home after Christmas? Because you are not going for Christmas. If paraventure you go home after Christmas. And your grandma got you maybe reading your book and saw fetus and asked you, Mom, what is fetus? What will you tell her? So you need to go and sit down, begin to note differences between things. But in fetus have more water, about 99 to 100% of water in their system. Okay? So as a child develops, it crosses a lot of stages. When an infant will have 73% of water. Okay? Or you can just say 73 to 80% of water. So the idea is, well, let me come to that later. So infants will have 73 to 80% of water in their body. That place you are sitting. But as the child grows to adulthood, the content of body water reduces. Okay? So you can see from the slide that from 73 to about 80% in adulthood, the body water content decreases to about 60 to 70%. Okay? That's for males, and then for females, it decreases to 40 to 50%. Alright? But then in the elderly, there is a drastic reduction in total body water. Okay? So the idea is that as you grow from infanthood to adulthood to the elderly stage, content of body water decreases. Alright? Okay. I don't want to go into pathology so I don't confuse you, but there are some pathology. This is physiological. It's normal. But there are also some pathological conditions that can either increase or decrease the water content of the body. We will get there. Good. Alright, we have already discussed the compartments of the body. This slide gives you a clearer view of the fluid compartments of the body and their divisions. Alright? We say that the body fluid is divided into ACF and ICF. Okay? The ICF is subdivided into several parts. Okay? You have the plasma, you have the transcellular fluids, which constitute what? What? And then the interstitial fluids and others. Okay, going forward. I told you in the last class that blood is always in a constant motion due to the pumping action of the heart. The blood contains fluid, right? And this fluid can move from one compartment to another. Alright? So body fluids are not static. Okay? Fluids and electrolytes. We are going to look at the major electrolytes found in each compartment of body fluid. So, but as fluid shifts, electrolytes also moves between the body fluid compartments. And the reason for this is to maintain a constant internal environment, that is homeostasis. Okay? So you are going to look at fluid shift, but not now. So going forward. Composition of body fluids. Are we writing? Composition of body fluids. Composition of body fluids. I told you that the human body is made up majorly of water and minorly of solids. Okay, this slide shows you the body fluid composition. So fluid contains water and solids, or you can call that solids. So the major solids in fluids are subdivided into two types. So the solids in fluid is subdivided into two types. Number A is the organic solids, and number B is the inorganic solids on the slide. The organic solids is mainly composed, the organic solids is mainly composed of end products of glucose, nutrient metabolism. Organic solids is composed of end products of nutrient metabolism. What is the end product of carbohydrate digestion? Glucose. Are you sure it's glucose? Not sucrose. Is it glucose, sucrose, or galactose? Glucose. Okay. What is the end product of protein metabolism or digestion? Amino acids. The end product of lipids digestion. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Is it carbon dioxide, oxygen, or fatty acid? Free fatty acids. Okay. So the organic solids is made up of end products of glucose, end products of nutrient metabolism, which include glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids. Organic substances are also composed of hormones. hormones, and enzymes. Alright? So the end products of nutrient metabolism, hormones, which are secreted by endocrine glands, and enzymes are the components of the organic solutes in the body fluid. Good. The inorganic solutes. Should I recap? I said the solutes found in body fluid are of two types, organic and inorganic. And we have said that the organic solutes found in body fluids are end products of nutrient metabolism, hormones, and enzymes. Now we want to look at the inorganic solutes of the body fluid. The inorganic solutes, the body fluid is made up of electrolytes. Inorganic solutes of the body fluid is made up of electrolytes, such as sodium ion, calcium ion, chloride, bicarbonate ions. Okay? There are also little amounts of nutrients and product metabolism. Very little or negligible. Alright? But you can do away with that. You can just say that inorganic substances found in body fluids are electrolytes. Alright? Good. pH of the body fluid is generally neutral. It's not acidic and it's not basic. So if you pick your pH scale to test the acidity or basicity of the body fluid, you will find out that it is neutral. pH of HCl 7.4. Is that acidic or basic? Huh? What? Is acidic. Weak base is basic. Okay. Have you seen a pH meter before? Alright. ICF has a pH of 7. Is that acidic or basic? Neutral. 7.4. Is that acidic or basic? Huh? Basic. You need to go and check that properly. 7.4. Is it acidic or basic? Huh? I ask you again, a pH of 7.4, is it acidic, basic, or neutral? Huh? Doctors. You know, I like you people. Doctors. Okay. Let's look at the major electrolytes found in the body fluid. Major electrolytes found in the body fluid. Okay, here we have the ions, which are classified into cations and anions. Alright? I hope you can see that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
We're talking about these facts. Okay? And then on this rule, the heading here is the extracellular fluid compartment. And here we have the intracellular fluid compartments. So these are the major cations and anions found in the extracellular fluid compartment, and these ones here are the ions found in the intracellular fluid compartment. Now, the ECF. The ECF is composed mainly of sodium ion. ECF is composed mainly of sodium ion, calcium ion. I say the ECF is composed mainly of sodium ion, calcium ion, chloride ion, bicarbonate ions, etc. So what am I talking about? The ECF have more sodium ions, calcium ions, chloride ions, and bicarbonate ion than the ICF. However, the ICF is really making some beautiful sounds. Don't you like the sound? It's talking. It's responding and reacting to the lecture. Okay. The ICF is composed mainly of potassium ion. ICF is composed mainly of potassium ion, magnesium ion, phosphate ion, and proteins. So the major ions found in the ICF are potassium ion, magnesium ion, phosphate ion, and protein. Although proteins here would mean end product of protein metabolism, that is amino acids. Alright? Is anyone confused or lost? Nobody. You people are very intelligent. Okay. Moving forward.